आपके साथ देश में कोरोना केसेस काफी बढ़े हैं। ऐसे में मास्क सबसे बड़ा हथियार है। हम आपसे बार बार अपील करते हैं कि आप मास्क पहनिए। इसको लेकर न्यूज 18 ने एक मुहिम भी शुरू की है, /मास्क पहनो इंडिया। आप खुद से प्रण लीजिए कि जब तक ये महामारी है आप मास्क नहीं उतारेंगे। मास्क ठीक से पहनिए, मास्क है, मजाक नहीं। और प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी इस वक्त बुद्ध पूर्णिमा के मौके पर संबोधित कर रहे हैं। सीधे आपको ले चलते हैं।
Made by the Buddhist organizations, followers of Buddha Dharma from world over. The scale, both in terms of population and geographical spread of the task is huge. Humanity has been humbled by the outpouring of generosity and support from fellow humans. These actions are in line with the teachings of Lord Buddha. It manifests the supreme mantra of Appadipo Bhava. Friends, COVID-19 is certainly a major challenge we face. While we do everything possible to fight it, we must not lose sight of the other challenges humanity faces. One of the biggest challenges is that of climate change. Reckless lifestyle of the present threaten the coming generations. Weather patterns are changing. Glaciers are melting, rivers and forests are in danger. We cannot let our planet remain wounded. Lord Buddha put emphasis on a way of life where respect of our Mother Nature is paramount. I am proud to share that India is among the few large economies to be on track to completing their Paris targets. For us, sustainable living is not only about right words, it is about the right actions. Friends, the life of Gautam Buddha was about peace, harmony, and coexistence. Today, there are still forces remaining whose existence depend on spreading hate, terror, and mindless violence. Such forces do not believe in liberal democratic principles. The need of the hour is for all those who believe in humanity to come together and defeat terror and radicalization. For that, the path shown by Lord Buddha is absolutely relevant. Lord Buddha's teachings and the importance given to social justice can become a global unifying force. He rightly said, Natti Santi Paran Sukham. There is no higher bliss than peace. Friends, Lord Buddha was the reservoir of brilliance of the entire universe. From him, we all could draw light from time to time and take the path of compassion, universal responsibility, and welfare. Mahatma Gandhi rightly said about Gautam Buddha, and I quote, Buddha taught us to defy appearances and trust in the final triumph of truth and love, unquote. Today, on Buddha Purnima, let us renew our commitment to the ideals of Lord Buddha. I join you all in praying to the triple gem to provide relief from the testing times of global COVID-19